Aaron here, back at her out in the garage again today, working on the 1986 Kuwahara Scamp project, and I'm working on the pad set. I gave up last night because it got too late and I was beat, so went to bed at like 1:30. Just finished snow blowing, about to run in town and get some paint for the project. Let me show you the reason why I spend so much time in the garage during the winter months. This right here. So tired of this. Just want to get out and ride. Look at this, I got all these bikes and I got to deal with that. Look at, there's like literally 6 feet of snow right there. Got to get some gas so I can keep up with the snow. Keep my snowblower running. But yeah, so anyways, I'm going in town to get some paint. My local paint shop is not very helpful to say the least, but they have some paint ready for me that I called, or actually drove in town yesterday and ordered. I'm going to pick that up, so I'm going to see if I can get some stuff painted today. I'm going to take you with me anyways. Oh man, you can't tell me I got stuck there. Last night I left off on working on these pads. They're all cut and laid out. I'm just now getting ready to iron them. So they're flat and they have a nice edge. Fold the edge and iron it, and then I'm gonna sew them. I got 2 sets here to do. Doing one as original, one custom with pink stitching, one original, but I'm doing burgundy stitching. The steps are, I'm going to iron, then I'm going to sew the edges, then I'm going to cut and sew the Velcro on, and then once I'm done all that, I'm going to go out and work on graphics and iron on the graphics. And then I'll be done with the pads other than cutting the foam. Foam is last. So here we go. RadBoyz wrapping up for the day. with the 1986 Kuwahara Scamp project. Next stage of the project is going to be paint and the custom pad set while we're waiting for parts to show up. Tune in, like, subscribe. There's lots more to come.